If you want to stay relevant in today's IT job market, learning how to build AI agents may be the smartest investment you can make. Companies are paying premium salaries for agentic AI skills right now. Today, you'll learn a real-world project that businesses are actively investing in. Many developers are still learning basic chatbots. But companies now want AI agents that can actually take action. That shift is creating exciting opportunities for developers and engineers. The generative AI market is growing incredibly fast. Skills like Bedrock Agents are appearing in job descriptions everywhere. The best time to learn these technologies is before everyone else does. Most courses overwhelm you with endless theory and slides. Here in this YouTube channel, we learn by building real solutions. Because interviews are won by people who can explain practical projects. Today, we're building something companies genuinely need. An AI customer support agent that can help customers automatically. And along the way, you'll learn concepts that interviewers love to discuss. Let's start with a simple business problem. A customer asks, "Where is my order?" Every day, support teams receive thousands of questions just like this. Normally, a human support agent handles the request. They search different systems to find the order status. Only then can they respond to the customer. That process consumes time, effort, and money. Businesses are constantly looking for more automation. This is exactly where Agentic AI starts creating value. Before we continue, I have a quick favor to ask. Write AI in the comments if you want the complete tutorial PDF. It helps me create more practical projects for this community. Now let's look at our solution. We are building an AI customer support agent using AWS services. And you'll soon see why companies are excited about this architecture. Every application needs an entry point. Our first service is API Gateway. Think of it as the secure front door of the entire system. So, why do we need this front door? API Gateway receives requests and sends them to the correct services. It also helps with security, traffic management, and scalability. Once the request enters the system, the real magic begins. The message is sent to Bedrock Agents. This is where our AI starts thinking about what to do next. So what exactly are Bedrock Agents? Bedrock Agents are managed AI agents provided by AWS. They can reason, plan, and decide which tools should be used. Imagine hiring a smart digital support employee. That is exactly how an agent behaves. It first understands the goal before deciding on the next step. Our customer asks, "Where is my order?" The Bedrock agent realizes that important information is missing. It knows it must investigate before answering. This is where things become really interesting. The system decides to use a tool automatically. That ability is one of the key characteristics of Agentic AI. The next step is handled by AWS Lambda. Lambda allows developers to run code without managing servers. AWS takes care of the infrastructure behind the scenes. Interviewers frequently ask about serverless computing. One major benefit of Lambda is automatic scaling. You only pay when your code actually runs. The Lambda function now gets to work. Its mission is to retrieve the required order data. Everything happens within seconds. But where is the information stored? Inside DynamoDB. This is AWS's fully managed NoSQL database service. Why choose DynamoDB for this solution? DynamoDB is designed for massive scale and fast lookups. That makes it ideal for customer and order records. The database query begins. The function searches for the requested order number. and within milliseconds, the answer comes back. Imagine you ordered a brand new phone yesterday. The database returns shipped as the latest status. Now, the system finally knows where your package is. Notice what just happened. The workflow performed a database lookup on its own. That is true agentic behavior in action. Many beginners confuse this with RAG systems. But this architecture is not just RAG. Something much more powerful is happening here. Here is an interview answer worth remembering. RAG retrieves information, while agents take actions. That single sentence can impress an interviewer. With the order status available, the workflow continues. It now creates a customer response. The answer becomes natural, friendly, and useful. Customers do not want raw database values. They want human-friendly answers. That is exactly what the AI generates. The final response might sound like this. Your order is out for delivery and should arrive today. That feels far more helpful than technical system data. Let's quickly review the architecture. API Gateway, Bedrock Agent, Lambda, DynamoDB. This is the flow you should remember for interviews. Companies love this architecture because it scales easily. A single AI agent can support thousands of customers. That creates huge business value. And this pattern goes far beyond order tracking. The same agentic workflow can process refunds and subscriptions. You can even extend it to many other business processes. If an interviewer asks for a practical generative AI project, describe this customer support agent confidently. It demonstrates cloud AI architecture and business understanding together. If you want the complete implementation guide, write AI in the comments and subscribe to Tech by Sketch, because this channel helps you learn AI by building real projects that get noticed in interviews.